Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Sisterlocks update video. I haven't filmed one in a few months, but I have a chance today and I'm going to seize it, and I'm going to try to release the video as soon as possible. So today we're Friday, we are the 3rd of December, and I want to release this video this weekend, so we'll see. So this is my 2 years and 9 months update, which means it's my 33-month update. This is almost 3 years. I am so excited. I'm going to be celebrating my 3 years anniversary on March 1st. I really can't wait. So today, like I said, it's December 3rd, so I just passed the 2 years and 9 months. So what's been going on since the last video? Has my hair grown? I feel like my hair is growing like weeds. It feels like it's longer every time. I don't know if it's longer. I can't tell, but my hair seems to be growing so fast. What I really wanted to say is it's been going really well. I have not been posting because there's nothing to talk about really. The only thing I can say is I am back at my original loctician's salon, but she's not doing Sisterlocks yet, but I have other people that she has been training, and people who have trained with her who are working with her, and so I was able to get 2 reties since my last update with you guys, and I'm very happy to be back there. It went really well. My hair is doing well. She didn't have to do any repairs, didn't have to even combine any locks so far. So I only lost that one lock, which is the one in the front that I talked about in my March update last March, so that's almost a year ago. So I know I was talking about the fact that I am back with my loctician's salon. It's not really my original loctician doing my hair, but it's people under her. So I feel really confident and I feel really good about that. I'm really happy to be back there. So far I'm happy that I haven't had to do my own hair myself. This is like the #1 thing. And also, yes, I was talking about the state of my hair. So she evaluated my hair the first time I went back there, which was in October. She evaluated my hair, she looked at it, and she saw that it was doing well. She didn't see any places that I really absolutely needed immediate repair. There are a few places that she wants us to keep an eye out for, but nothing major. I already talked about those places, those locks that are thinning maybe at a certain point, and we're keeping an eye out for those. But I told her if I lose them, I lose them. It's not really a big deal. I have so many. I'm not attached to just one lock. I'm attached to my hair as a whole, but not just one lock. So if something happens to a couple of locks, for me, it's not the end of the world. I'm not gonna panic. There's this little one here that I lost the end of it, and I mentioned that it wasn't a big deal for me. I honestly cannot tell you guys what happened. It came out, I remember after I washed my hair that one time, it came out, it just slipped out. And you know, I could have done something. I could have reattached it. I could have done something, but I have no idea where it went. It's like it went directly to the garbage and I don't even know. It's fine. I think that my sideburns should stay shorter, but it's that one lock. It would have been fine if both of them did the same thing at the same time. Like this one, I mentioned that already. It looks like I might lose because of how thin it is here. It looks like I might lose this part, which is what happened to this one here. But like I said, if that happens, it's okay. The only thing I don't like about this one is the fact that because it's so short, it sticks out. So if I wear my hair, which is most of the time, I wear my hair like this, right? You guys see me with my top knot, whatever. And this one is like usually sticking out like this. So if I'm lucky, like right now, it's flat, no problem. But I see pictures of mine where it's sticking out, you know? So it really depends on how it dries. It depends on how it is. I'm just gonna fix my part. Okay, so I'm definitely still loving my journey, still loving what it's doing, how it's evolving, what it's looking like, how it's suiting me. I'm still loving everything about the journey. I have to say, I get this comment a lot, and I wonder, I don't know why people feel like it comes off maybe from me that I want my hair to grow, but I get this specific comment about me looking into fast hair growth fortified shampoo. I don't know if it's a bot, I don't know if it's a real comment, but I am not, and I am definitely not, and I thought I had already talked about this before, but I am not trying to grow my hair fast. I'm not trying to grow it fast. I'm letting it grow. I'm letting it do what it's supposed to do, but I'm not adding like steps or help or support or vitamins or any I'm not trying to grow my hair fast. I find that my hair is growing at a faster rate than I anticipated, which means that my reties take longer. It also means that I cannot go long between reties because I get new growth, a lot of new growth every time. Mind you, I ask my locticians all the time not to retie my hair tight. So my hair right now, this is a fresh retie. I don't know if you can tell, and I don't know how to show you. So you can see that, but this is a fresh retie. I retied my hair last week. I don't know if you guys can see anything interesting, but I ask that my hair is not retied too tight. This is something that's like non-negotiable for me. I don't want my hair to be tight, because even when I ask for it to be looser, for it not to be too tight, I can still feel that something happened to my hair, to my head, to my scalp, and it's still tender, it's still sensitive, and I feel like my head has been more tender since I've gotten Sisterlocks. So I'm not interested in retying my hair tight, and I am definitely not interested in growing my hair fast. That's something that I'm not interested in. I will never talk to you guys about products to grow hair fast. It's not something that is of interest to me. And on my channel, I only share what I'm doing, things that affect me, things that are beneficial for me and also my daughters. But I will never talk to you guys about products, probably because I never use anything. The only product that I talked about was the Sisterlocks starter shampoo, which is the shampoo I use. It's like the only product I use. And also I use, when I run out of the Sisterlocks starter shampoo, I use the Neutrogena anti-residue shampoo. I talked about that one as well. I bought it because I thought it was going to help me with my little residue that I get sometimes here near the root. But when I look at the length of my hair, it's not really a problem. So I think that it shows up here at the root, but then it disappears after maybe a couple of months or something, because you don't see them all down the shaft of my lock. You mostly see them at the root. So usually when I wash my hair, I try to let the shampoo sit a little bit to get as much as, because I think it's sebum, so as much as the sebum as possible, but I leave it. Otherwise it's supposed to do what it's supposed to do. I just leave it. Like I said, I don't use any other products. I'm not going to talk to you guys about products, hair products or whatever, because I don't use any. The only other thing I use on my hair is a little bit of oil sometimes. I use on my scalp. I put drops on my fingers, on the pads of my fingers, and I rub it a little bit on my scalp, especially in the winter time. And then sometimes I just finish, after I'm all done, finish, and I run it through my hair. But it's so like light, it's not a lot. It's one drop that I spread all over my fingers like that, and then I just rub it all over, especially here in my sensitive area, because in the winter it's sensitive, it's a little itchy. It's not itchy like I used to feel, but it's a little bit more itchy than the rest of my scalp. But then the rest of my skin is really dry as well on my body, so it's not just my scalp. So this was for the first comment that I read, and I was like, oh, a lot of people are asking me this, and I don't know why. I am not interested in growing this hair a lot faster, because I think it grows fast enough. And since I don't have a lot to talk about, I guess, to share, I just want to take the time to thank you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you for the comments. So I get a lot of people commenting saying that they love my videos and they really enjoy them, and I'm like, really? We are always so critical of ourselves, and I am critical of myself. I want to make more videos. I want to make better videos. I want to really talk about not only Sisterlocks, but so many other things. And I'm kind of intimidated and afraid to branch out. I really appreciate everybody who takes the time to comment and leave nice comments. It's like 99% of what I get, and I really appreciate it. So yeah, I guess I don't have really a lot of questions. I thought I would have more questions, so I just wanted to address that one comment that I saw a few times already, and I was like, really, I don't know why people are thinking that I want to grow my hair fast. Is it because of my other videos? Is it because I do a length check? I don't know. I just wanted you guys to know that when you're wearing Sisterlocks, the things that were important to you, like hair growth, it's not at all important anymore. In my case anyways, it's not at all important anymore. I guess maybe it was important in the beginning because I didn't know how it was gonna go. I didn't know that I was gonna thrive like this. I didn't know my hair was gonna thrive in Sisterlocks at all. I thought it was gonna be something that I try and that fails, God forbid, like the other journeys that I've had previously, but it's not the case at all. I am super excited that my journey is going so well. And I am completely like amazed. I'm completely in awe of everything that my hair has been able to do, has been looking like. There's not one day that I have a negative feeling about my hair. The only thing is, yeah, when I spend my money, but that's what anything. A few months ago, I had to buy a MacBook, and I love my computer, but I was like, oh my God, I don't want to spend that money. It's a lot of money. So yeah, every time I have to do my hair, I'm like, oh, it's a lot of money that I have to spend for my hair. What am I doing? I always have that little voice in my head. I don't know why. Even though I keep telling myself, you're allowed to, you deserve it. You never spend money on yourself, really. I only buy when I need, like my MacBook. I changed, the last one was 2011. And I mean, I feel like I'm really hard on myself, and even though like I want to be confident in my decisions, there's always a little voice in the back of my head like, is this responsible? Are you using your money properly? Are you doing what you should be doing? Isn't there something else that you should be doing with that money? There's always this little voice in my head, and this is because of, I guess, how I was raised to not waste. That's how we were raised, and so that's how I am with myself. Stay tuned till the end because I will be adding the length check shirt footage, of course. I'm right on time for the length check shirt because I was supposed to do it every 3 months. So it's 3 months after my last one. So I'll be adding that footage. Right now, this is an old braid out, or this is a braid out from last week. I love doing braid outs, but I am lazy. So I only do the cornrows when my hair is freshly washed. I do cornrows, like maybe 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, 5 or 6, like this, going around my head. And then so I leave them overnight. I do them when my hair is damp, and I leave them overnight, and when I wake up I remove the braids and I finger comb until my hair is nice. And I did that last week, the night before going to my hair appointment, and I removed my braids, and I had a date with my husband that night, so I had a nice braid out for my date. I absolutely love the braid out. And I guess, I hope you can see it a little bit, but I don't think it's as defined as it was, of course. It's normal. But I posted a picture on Instagram on my date. Yeah, it was on the date. And let me check my phone just to see. Yeah, you can't really see it, but you can see it better than today. Yeah, so it's this picture. So if you want to go check out my Instagram, the link is always in my description, in my about section on my channel, and on my channel banner, of course. So I'll be showing my hair. I'm not doing the 360 here because I'll be showing my hair with the length check shirt in a few minutes. I think my hair is getting really long. Let me do this. What do you think? Yeah, it's long. For me, it's long. Like I said previously, this is shoulder length when you don't stretch it, but when you stretch it, it's definitely longer. I don't know if when my hair locks, it's just gonna fold, become shorter. So I'm glad that it's growing so well, because not that I mind having shorter hair, but if I look at the locks that I've locked, they did fold a little bit and become shorter than the ones that are not locked. I'm gonna pause this because the kids are requesting mommy, and I'll be back with my length check shirt footage. All right, so I just filmed my length check footage, and well, it's not really showing much because of the fact that I did a braid out, and also the fact that I'm doing this on bone dry hair. Usually I do my length check on damp hair, so I'll show you guys the footage, but it's not really gonna show growth at all. I think that it's gonna show that it's shorter, but I haven't cut my hair. I haven't done anything except do this braid out, so it was probably not the right time to do a length check, but that's okay. I'll definitely do a better one for my 3-year for my 3-year anniversary. I'm definitely going to be doing a length check. I'm going to be showing, you know, differences between year 1, year 2, year 3. I'm going to be doing all that. Those kinds of videos really show people the evolution, the growth that they can expect if they have similar experiences as mine, similar hair. You can just look at my videos and see how my hair evolved. Even though I didn't really start filming like properly from the beginning, I still have enough, I think I have enough footage for you guys to look at how my journey progressed. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys had a nice Thanksgiving. For Canada, it's in October, around my birthday, so I always celebrate my birthday on Thanksgiving weekend. I'll see you guys in other videos. Hopefully I can post more until the end of the year, and I will see you next time. Bye.